everyone, my name is Raquel Forsgren with Living Yoga Therapy. We'll be doing a chair yoga practice today. This practice can be done if you have just finished treatment, if you are preparing for surgery, or even post-surgery. It's gentle enough and yet very, very effective at boosting the immune system and rebalancing the nervous system, which is very important for our bodies, particularly if you're going through treatment or you're recovering post-treatment. So let's begin by closing our eyes, resting the palms of our hands on the tops of our thighs, sitting up nice and straight. The neck is long, thinking about the top of your head poking through a set of clouds up into the sky, closing your eyes and feeling the bottoms of your feet. Feel all 10 toes, the heels. Feel the back of the chair against your spine. Relaxing into the chair just a little bit more. Feeling the chair completely support you. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. Just here on your chair, on your mat, and your practice. Take a moment to notice your breath. How is it moving for you today? Is it long and smooth, short, clunky, sticky? Not analyzing it, not going into any thinking, just noticing. On your next inhale, expand the ribs and the muscles within the ribs, breathing in through the belly and lengthening your exhale. In other words, making it longer than the inhale. Inhaling again, expanding the ribs. Exhaling, lengthening along the way. One more time, inhaling, expanding the ribs. Exhaling, lengthening along the way. Let your breath become normal, natural, nothing forced about it, letting it come and go. Release the arms by the sides, still keeping your eyes closed, just listening to my voice. Feeling your body as you move with your own breath. As you inhale, lift the shoulders up toward the ears, and as you exhale, release the shoulders at the same pace your breath is moving all the way down. Inhale, lift the shoulders up again under the ears, and exhale, lowering the shoulders down. Last time, inhaling, lift the shoulders up toward the ears, and exhaling down. Bring your left hand on top of your heart and your right hand on top of that. Set an intention for yourself right in this moment. How do you want your day, your week to be? How do you want to feel? What do you need? Ask for it. Set your intention. Softly blink open your eyes. Inhaling, lift the arms into cactus arms. And if this bothers your shoulders at all, or you've just had any surgery or radiation across the chest, you do not need to open your arms and your elbows clear back. What matters is that you're just lifting the heart, elongating the neck, So you can keep your arms out here, or if you have more ability, opening the arms, pulling the muscles together in the back between your shoulder blades. Inhale, reach the arms up, look up at your hands. Exhale, open the arms up, cactus arms. Inhale, reaching up, extending through the sides of the body. Exhale, open the arms into cactus arms. Bring the hands back together, palms together, and then lower them to the tops of your thighs. Now hopefully your feet are on a block. If they're not able to rest comfortably on the floor, I keep mine on a block just because it helps my lower back feel a little bit better. You can extend the left leg long in front of you, flex the foot so that you feel the top muscle right above the knee engage. This is an excellent strengthening exercise, even if you're not able to move much after treatment or during treatment. Lower that foot down. Extend the right leg long. Really flex the foot. Push through the heel. Flex the muscle above the knee. And lowering it down. Now, take your hands by the sides of the chair, and you can grip the sides if you'd like. Extend the left leg, then the right leg, and flex the feet again. Push through the heels. You're looking to engage the muscles on the top parts of your thighs. Flex and point the toes. Working to build the circulation by pumping the feet because it engages your calf muscles, and improving the joint movement by moving the feet clockwise, allowing some circulation to happen within the ankles and the joints, around the toes and in the toes, opposite direction, rotating the feet, and then lowering the feet back to the floor or on the block. Now take the elbows in towards your side, spread the fingers wide, make a fist, open wide, make a fist. This might be particularly helpful and feel good if you've had some type of neuropathy happening. Alternatively, by moving the fingers too deeply could aggravate it. So just pay very close attention to any sensation you're feeling in your fingers, your hands, your wrists. Move the thumbs on the inside of the hand, wrap the fingers around the thumb. Again, pulling the shoulders back, elbows in. Just dip the wrists downward. So you're just getting a very gentle movement and stretch right above your thumb at the top part of the wrist. Should feel just a little bit of a stretch, and that should be the only sensation that you might be feeling. And shake out the hands. Inhale again, take the arms back to cactus, and exhale, forward fold. So you're going to touch the ankles here. Inhale, fingertips to your knees, and elongate your neck. Pull your shoulder blades together. Pull your belly button towards your spine, and lift all the way up. Inhaling, arms at cactus. Exhaling, forward fold. Fingertips to the knees, elongate the neck, pull the shoulder blades toward each other, and sit all the way up. One more time. Inhale, cactus arms, and forward fold to the ankles. Inhale to the knees, elongate the neck, and sit all the way up. Close your eyes. Take your hands at heart center, palms together. I'd like you to come back to your intention that you set at the very beginning. Visualize it. Take also a moment here to notice where your thoughts are. Maybe any emotion that might be stirring or coming up. Noticing also how your breathing is. Notice if anything is different in your breathing or your body. after just doing a few minutes of movement. Open the eyes softly, lower the hands to the thighs, and what I'd like to do is have you come off the chair, push the block away, scoot up to the edge of the chair, engage the heels as you spread the toes and the feet wide. Take the hands to the thighs, hinge forward, push through your heels as you stand all the way up. You can use your chair to support you as you stand up if that's helpful. Walk to the back of your chair. We're going to use it for stability. Bring your thighs as close together as possible. Nice and tall, neck is long, coming back to the top of the head, poking through the clouds into the sky. Take 2 fingers on the back of the chair. We're going to inhale, lift the heels up, coming up on the tippy toes. Lower the heels with the exhale. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, lower the heels. Inhale, lift the heels. Lower with your breath. This movement pumps the heart because it stimulates the muscles in the calves, in the backs of your legs, increasing the circulation, helping to rid the body of fluid retention, sends signals to the body to move the immune system in a productive way. Taking just a few more of these. 2 more. Inhaling, lifting. Lowering as you exhale. Inhaling, lifting. Lowering as you exhale. Take the feet hip-width distance apart. Take the hands at heart center. Inhale, lift the arms up. And as you exhale, take the arms toward the left side of the room, keeping your head and your heart lifted. Feeling any sensation along the right side of your body. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling, coming up, reaching toward the sky, looking up toward the sky, and over toward the right. Keep pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Lift the chin if that's comfortable on your neck. Lift the heart toward the sky. 1 more inhale and exhale, lifting all the way back up. Bring the arms back down at cactus and all the way down. From here, take 1 finger on the chair. Keep the left foot anchored down. Visualize the entire left side of your body strong, rooted, unwavering, grounded. Take the right heel and rest it upon the ankle bone. So this is a modified tree pose. So standing firmly on your mat, and you can keep 2 fingers on the chair. Bring that left hand into your heart. Feeling strong and rooted, begin to lift the toes up off the mat, resting along the side of the calf. Keep pressing the foot into the calf and the calf into the foot. If you feel strong enough and steady enough, you can bring the palms together. But I encourage you to use the chair because it's there for your support. We're balancing and nourishing the body by using this extra support and lowering the foot slowly down, just gently moving the legs, maybe shaking out the shoulders, doing a little dance. And then let's step to the other side. From here, anchor the right leg solidly into the mat. 2 fingers along the chair, neck is long, shoulders are back, always keeping a nice control over your posture. Bring the left ankle and heel together. And as you're ready, lift the right hand in towards your heart. Slide those left toes up along the calf, pressing the calf into the foot and the foot into the calf. Finding your balance, finding a focal point that doesn't move in your room, in your space. And if you feel ready, pressing the palms together, but remembering this is about nourishing and balancing the body. And then taking 2 fingers down again, sliding the foot down, and coming back behind the chair. Take both hands on the chair from here and step back away from your chair until your arms are straight. What we're going to do is lift the heart forward, pulling the shoulder blades together, lifting the chin. Then we're going to round the back, round the shoulders forward, dip the head down, just to move the spine. Inhaling as you lift forward and up. Exhaling, round the shoulders, round the back. Taking just a couple more. Inhaling, moving the heart up, chin up. Exhaling, rounding the shoulders. One last time. Inhaling, lifting up, shoulder blades toward each other. Exhale, rounding the back. Neutral spine, nice and tall. Let's walk around back to the chair itself. Use the chair to help you sit down if that feels comfortable. And remembering to keep your block handy if you'd like it underneath your feet. Sitting up nice and tall with your back away from the chair. Take your left hand on the side of the chair. Right hand on the outer side of the left knee. Sit up nice and tall. And then just turn the torso to look toward the left, turning your head as far to the left as you can that's comfortable without straining your neck. Inhaling and exhaling, just an easy twist. Inhale and exhale. Come back through center. Take the right hand over to the side of the chair. Left hand just above the right knee, outer part of the thigh. Sit up nice and tall. Neck is long, shoulders relaxed. Turn the body toward the right, looking over the right shoulder. Taking 2 full rounds of breath at your own pace. And unwinding slowly and gently. Scoot yourselves back against your chair so that you're resting nice and comfortably. Nothing is strained. The chair is fully supporting you. Hands resting on top of your thighs. Sitting up nice and tall. Close your eyes. Tune back into your breathing. Noticing where you're breathing. Are you breathing through your belly? Is your chest moving or shoulders moving or both? And remember, let's not judge it. Just let the breath come and go at its own natural pace. As we continue to move through your class, let's do just a few rounds of breathing exercises, which in yoga we call pranayama. It's moving our life force energy through ourselves. And I'd like to do a little bit of imagery with this particular breathing exercise. We're going to be visualizing a white light, and we're going to be visualizing the breath moving up and through our body, healing every single cell that it comes in contact with. Bringing all the awareness to the bottoms of your feet. Taking a nice regular inhale and a nice normal exhale. bring to mind that beautiful, pristine white light. Visualize it at the bottoms of your feet. As you inhale, bring the white light up through your ankles, into your calves, shins, knees, tops of your thighs and hips. Just visualize that white light moving up from the bottoms of the feet toward the hips. Inhale, visualizing the white light moving from the hips through the stomach, through your heart and lungs, your throat, your arms, your hands, your neck, face to the top of your head, healing everything it comes in contact with. Inhaling and visualizing the white light at the top of your head. As you exhale, send the breath down the back of your body with white light following it along the back of the neck, the spine, the back of the hips, the back of the legs, the back of the knees, down to the bottoms of the feet. Inhaling up the front of your body with white light following it, healing every single muscle, cell in contact. Exhaling down the back of your body, all the way down your legs to your feet. Do 2 more rounds of that on your own, at your own pace. Visualizing healing white light. Relax even more into the chair, fully supporting you. Relax your hands, your feet, your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Let your tongue move away from your teeth, the roof of your mouth. Relaxing. Sitting in this moment of rest. Feeling how calm and still your body, your mind, your emotions are feeling. Noticing how different you feel than when you started, if you do. You're welcome to sit here as long as you'd like, or even go off your chair and lay down on your mat or a bed and rest for a few more moments. But if you're ready to end your practice, bring your left hand on your heart, your right hand over the top. Honoring yourself first for having the desire, the drive to help yourself heal from whatever it's going through. Trusting, empowering yourself to take control of what you can by working through using your breath to control your mind, your emotions, leaning into emotions that may have come up today. Bring your hands together at heart center. Softly blink open your eyes. And remember to just really live. Really live. Handle everything with beauty, elegance, all the challenges, anything that comes your way. But most importantly, live very intentionally with everything that you choose to do.